Halverson, tell us about the second day of your talks on STAR.
Well, the second day is going to explore how climate is regulated through not only Earth's history, but in the present as well. We evoke various principles like the Gaia hypothesis that looks at the role that life plays in regulating the environment of the Earth, the atmosphere, the oceans, and also how Earth's temperature, even though it has fluctuated a lot over millions and billions of years, our climate on this planet has not run away like that of Mars and Venus. We've had a stable enough climate to permit the oceans to remain liquid on the Earth for over 4 billion years, and that has allowed life to evolve from bacteria to humans.